Dear students, welcome to the program Amar Ghore Amar School. I am Said Firoz Alam. How are you, dear students? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will discuss a lesson from English for Today book. It is Unit 4 and Lesson 10. Dear students, you know that we are reading Unit 4. The title of this unit is People Who Make a Difference. And you can see the learning outcomes of this unit. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, match words with their meanings, write answers to questions, write a dialogue. You can see a picture here. Can you guess the picture? Think about the picture. Here, a doctor is giving interview. Okay. So our today's lesson is waiting for a torch bearer. You can see some keywords: poverty, torch, responsibility. Okay, let us learn the meaning of these words. Poverty. It means the state of being extremely poor. Torch. It means a portable battery powered electric lamp. Responsibility. The state or fact of having a duty to deal with something. Torch bearer. A person who leads or inspires others in working towards a valued goal. So dear students, I hope the meanings of these words are clear to you. Okay, let us start our today's lesson. A TV reporter is interviewing Dr. Mahmoud Hassan about his dream. Read the interview. So, in this lesson, you can see Dr. Mahmoud Hassan is giving interview. Okay, let us read the interview. Reporter: why do you choose this place for your work? A reporter asks Dr. Mahmoud why he has chosen this place for his work. Dr. Mahmoud: the people of my village do not get proper healthcare support because of poverty. In reply, Dr. Mahmoud says that the people of his village do not get proper healthcare because of poverty. Most of the people living in our village are poor. I have chosen the village to give them a little healthcare support, and he has chosen this village to give the village people a little healthcare support. Reporter: how much does a patient pay for the support? The reporter wants to know how much a patient pays for the support. Dr. Mahmoud: they pay very little. As the people are very poor, they could pay a very little. And very poor people get free treatment, and the people who are very poor, they get free treatment. Reporter: isn't the work very hard? The reporter asked Dr. Mahmoud if the work isn't very hard. Dr. Mahmoud: yes, it is. Dr. Mahmoud replies in the affirmative and says that the work is very hard, but I do it with pleasure. Though the work is very hard, he does the work with pleasure. Reporter: what is your future plan for this center? Reporter wants to know the future plan. Dr. Mahmoud: you see, I am getting old. Dr. Mahmoud says that he is getting old, so I am waiting for a torch bearer. For this reason, he is waiting for a torch bearer. Many students get MBBS degree in the country every year. Dear students, MBBS means Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. He says that many students in our country every year receives MBBS degree. I am waiting for one of them, and he is waiting for one of them. He or she will take responsibility. The students getting MBBS degree, one of them will take the responsibility for treatment of the poor of this area. So dear students, Let us do some exercise from this lesson. In the screen, you can see a matching. Match the words with their meanings. You have to match the words with their meaning. First, you can see take charge of, then poverty, then pleasure and responsibility. On the right column, you can see the feeling of happiness, have control over, duty, and then you can see the situation of being poor. So, if we match the words, take charge of, you can match it with have control over. Then poverty, you can match it with the situation of being poor. Pleasure, you can match it with the feeling of happiness. Responsibility, you can match it with duty. So, I think this exercise is clear to you. Okay. Let us move to our next slide. You can see some questions here. First one, is the healthcare support free to all? Second one, why is the doctor waiting for a torch bearer? Third one, who will be in charge of the center? Fourth one, do you think the money he gets from the patients is enough to run the center? Why do you think so? Dear students, can you guess the answer? Yes, I hope so. Okay, let us see the answer. The first question is the healthcare support free to all? You can see the answer here. No, the healthcare support is not free to all. They pay a very little, and the very poor patients get free treatment. So, the village people get healthcare support, but it is not free to all. They pay a very little, and the patient who is very poor, he gets free treatment. Question 2. Why is the doctor waiting for a torch bearer? The answer is the doctor is waiting for a torch bearer because he is getting old. He wants someone to take the responsibility for the treatment of the poor people in that area. Now, we will see some other questions. Question number 3. Who will be in charge of the center? Who will be in charge of the center? The answer is many students get MBBS degree every year in our country. One of the students will take the charge of the center. Question number 4. Do you think the money he gets from the patients is enough to run the center? Why do you think so? Okay, the answer is I think the money he gets from the patients is not enough to run the center because the people of the village are very poor. They could pay a little. So, it is difficult to run the center with the money he gets from the patients. Let us move to our next slide. Here, you can see fill in the gaps. You have to fill in the gaps with the right form of verbs given in the box. You can use a word more than once. Okay, let us see the words given in the box. First word, give. Second one, choose. Then do. Then is. Then get. And in the last, you can see help. So, these are the words given in the box. Now, first we will read the text and then we will fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words. I want to dash the poor people. I will dash it to dash healthcare support to the poor. They do not dash treatment because of poverty. So my dream dash to be a doctor. To dash the poor people, I will dash my village to work. Now, can you guess the answer? Okay, dear students, let us match the words. I want to help the poor people. In the first blank, you can use help. I will do it. In the second blank, you can use do it to give healthcare support to the poor. In the third blank, you can use give. So the sentence will be, I will do it to give healthcare support to the poor. They do not, in this blank you can use get. They do not get treatment because of poverty. So my dream, in this blank you can use is. So my dream is to be a doctor. To, in this blank you can use help. To help the poor people, I will, in the last blank you can use choose. I will choose my village to work. Dear students, you know that most of the people of our country live in the village, and because of poverty they do not get proper healthcare support. So it is our duty to do something for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of the country from our own position. Suppose if you become a doctor in future, you can go to your native village. You can serve the people living in the village. Now I will give you a homework from this lesson. You can see the homework in the screen. Find a person in your area who is different from others in giving service to the society. Talk to her or him and prepare a short biography of the person. Dear students, you must do the homework. You must show it when your school will open, and you can show it to your respective subject teacher. So this is all from our today's lesson. In this lesson, we can see that a reporter is interviewing Dr. Mahmood Hassan, and the reporter wants to know why he has chosen his village to work. Dr. Mahmood Hassan says that the people of the village are very poor. They do not get proper healthcare support because of poverty. For this reason, he has chosen his village to give them healthcare support. Then the reporter wants to know how much does a patient pay. In reply, he says that a patient pays a very little because most of the people of his village are poor. They could pay a little. And he further says that the people or the patient who is very poor receives free treatment. Then the reporter wants to know, isn't the work very hard? In reply, Dr. Mahmood replies affirmative, in the affirmative, and says that the work is very hard, but he does the work with pleasure. And the reporter wants to know his future plan regarding the center. In reply, Dr. Mahmood says that he is getting old, so he is waiting for a torch bearer. Many students of our country get MBBS degree every year, and he hopes that one of the students will take responsibility of his center, and he or she will take the responsibility for the treatment of the poor in this area. And then we have done some exercise from this lesson. So I hope all of you will do your homework. Dear students, if you want to see this class again, visit our Facebook page, Amar Ghare Amar School, or you can go to YouTube channel, or you can go to Kishore Batan. And if you have any query, or if you want to share your opinion with us, you can send it through email. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you. Stay safe.